Today we are going to learn about solar system. So let's start. This is Earth. We all live on Earth and we think that Earth is a big place. But do you know that Earth is just a small part of our solar system? Now you must be thinking, what is solar system? Solar system is the collection of planets. Solar system include the Sun, the Earth, all other planets, asteroids and comets that revolve around the Sun. Sun is the center of our solar system. There are 8 planets in our solar system that orbits around the Sun. These 8 planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. These 8 planets are classified into 2 categories: inner planets and outer planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars, these are called inner planets because these planets are closer to Sun and are smaller in size compared to outer planets. These planets are also called as terrestrial planets. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune, these are called as outer planets because they are away from the Sun and they are bigger in size compared to the inner planets. So these planets are also called as giant planets. Now, let's learn about the planets of the solar system one by one. Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. Mercury is the first planet from the Sun and it is the smallest planet in our solar system. Venus. Venus is bright white because it is covered with clouds that reflects the sunlight. Venus is the second planet from the Sun and it is the hottest planet in our solar system. The size of Venus is similar to Earth and it is also known as evening or morning star. Earth. Earth is the only planet where life is known to exist. Earth is the third planet from the Sun. Earth has one large natural satellite, the Moon. About 70% of Earth's surface is covered with water. Mars. Mars is very cold and dry. It is also called as red planet. Mars is the 4th planet from the Sun and it is nearest to Earth. Water exists on Mars in the form of ice on south and north poles. Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet of our solar system. Jupiter is the 5th planet from the Sun. The most famous feature of Jupiter is a big red spot, which is because of the storm on its surface. Jupiter is also known as gas giant planet because its surface is made up of hydrogen gas. Saturn is the second largest planet in our solar system after Jupiter. Saturn is the 6th planet from the Sun. It has ring around it. These rings are made up of ice particles, dust and rocks. Uranus. Uranus is the 7th planet from the Sun. Uranus is called as a blue planet, not because of water but because of gases around it. Neptune. Neptune also appears blue just like Uranus. Neptune is the farthest planet from the Sun. It takes 165 years for Neptune to complete one circle around the Sun. This was all about our solar system. Let's revise what we learned today. There are 8 planets in our solar system. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. Venus is the hottest planet. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system. Earth is the only planet in our solar system known to possess life. So friends, this was all about solar system. In next video, we will learn some new topic. Till then, bye bye.